I'm going to give you some quick tips about how to use Google Docs to do research and writing projects in your classroom. The first tip is really fun. So whenever you're in a Google Doc, you'll notice that you have all of these text formatting toolbars here. So I'm making a pretend report about the Battle of San Jacinto, but maybe I want to make this a little bit more graphic and make it more fun to look at. So what you can do is select your text and then go to fonts and scroll all the way down to the bottom where it says more fonts, and then you can find many different fonts that are free for you to load into your document. And once you add them, they're going to stay as a list. It's a list for you. So maybe I want to find something kind of Western looking. I might pick this one. Okay, so you click OK, and then that font is added to your list of available fonts. So fun for you and fun for your students. So if you want to do some research without leaving your Google Doc, without opening Google in another window, you can go up to Tools and open the Research pane by clicking on Research. Okay, you can see here that the Research pane is kind of living over in the sidebar. So I can copy and paste my topic. So I'm going to copy and then paste this here. And then you can see that it's going to give me Google results about my topic. So I can scroll down and look at all of these different results. So maybe this one looks like, based on this little preview, it looks like something I want to look at. I can actually click on preview to see a snapshot of the website. So this one looks really good. So if I want to open it, I can click on the link and it opens in a new tab. So maybe I'm using this and I fill in some of my information and I want to cite where I got that information from. So what I can do is I can either insert a link back to that page, or I can click on Cite and it will give me a footnote automatically. If I want to change the citation style, I can use this drop-down box with this little arrow here, and it will allow me to choose MLA, APA, or Chicago formatting. If you're not really into citing in a formal way, this is still an easy way to show your students to add a footnote so that you can track where you got your information. Okay, so once I am done with this, I can just click back here and that'll pop back in. Okay, so maybe I want to add a picture of the Battle of San Jacinto. Up in the research bar, my little search bar, I can click on this icon and show you different types of results. So I can search for just images. Now, in this case, I'm on a mobile device, so my images are blocked, but on a desktop they won't be. So you can simply click, hold, and drag to insert a picture into your document. Now, I can resize this, and as you can see, I have that footnote that links back to where that picture came from. Really cool. Some other fun things that you can do from the Research pane are look for scholarly articles with Scholar. You can also look for quotes, look for definitions, and then if you're in a math or a science class, you can look at tables to find different data sets. So the Research pane has lots of options for you to add research to your documents. Now, if you want to work with, if your students are going to work in groups, don't forget about the share button. They can click share and then add a partner. And if you want them to work together, you can have them both edit. If you want them to leave feedback, they need to choose can comment. So with the share button, you can take your research and you can have students swap pages and then leave feedback for each other. If you just want them to look at it, they can always do can view. So don't forget about the sharing options and check out the Research pane in Google Docs.